Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I will show you easy way to improve your dwelling time. So today I have been analyzing my Google Analytics to find which pages have got the worst and the best, obviously, score when it comes to traffic, when it comes to dwelling time, when it comes to bounce rate, and so on, to see what to improve and how to improve them. And I found this small page that you see on your screens as having really good dwelling time, although it is very short, because as you can see it's about 3 paragraphs. It had, I believe, over 4 minute dwelling time, which is a very good result because the average dwelling time on my website is over 1 minute, but I'm currently working on it. To improve it, I want to get to over 3 minutes. But this particular page, it has got few words, but it has, as I mentioned, over 4 minute dwelling time. And by dwelling time, I mean the time that people spend on your page. So obviously, it's very important for Google and your SEO. Um, so why this particular page has got this kind of dwelling time? It is because it is a step-by-step guide on how to hyperlink email address with the code that people can copy and paste in their website. And because they can do it while keeping this page open, they basically can open a new tab in go to the store and leave this tab open, which means they spend this this page is open all the time, and they can basically go to their website, apply this code. It's very easy because I mentioned where to do it within the page and basically how this code should work, and people can easily do it, and that's why they keep this tab open. They keep reading this page. They keep coming back to it to check the code again, and that's why this page has got over 4 minutes. So if you have got a niche where you can include this kind of content, where people can use some kind of instructions that they can apply, or instructions or step-by-step guide, definitely it's a great way to improve your SEO, because it is a great way to improve your dwelling time. So definitely go ahead and implement it. And I'm very happy that I found out about this way, because this is quite a brand new technique for me. And I thought I will share it because as my subscribers, I'm always happy to help you first. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.